Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this unbox review this head unit for Nissan Navara 2014 to 2017 year. Android it's port 0 Oreo. You can check this box. Let me open the box. Come with harness, canvas box, GPS antenna. Okay, this head unit. This is special harness for Navara. This is canvas box. Okay. This is for audio cable. Okay. This is for harness, special harness you can check. Let me remove the unit. You can check this special harness for Navara. Okay. This is for GPS antenna. External microphone. Okay. Original USB. AUX cable. Camera. This camera cable. Audio cable. USB cable. 2 USB. External microphone. Okay. This is special head unit Navara. Okay, let me check it. This drive agent. Okay, this is Navara. You can check. Okay. Back overhead unit. It's radio, antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna. This is a harness connector. It's for connectors. Okay. Okay, let me power on. Power 12 voltage. Please take out this screw protector. These button lights can be changed. This microphone, GPS reset hole. Okay, let me check this system. Very fast PX5 octa-core. Check settings, system, bat motion. You can check PX5. Android version is 8.0. Oreo. Okay. You can install wallpaper from OEM. Okay, already installed. It's a built-in Play Store, Google Maps. It's an easy connection for Mirrorlink. You can support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, these button lights can be changed in car settings. You can these factory settings. You can put 1, 2, 6. You can change car logo. And the radio, you can choose this different district. Compass, you can choose this. And the other, it supports radio RDS on. When you apply it, then exit. Okay, thank you.